Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel Lingareddy Chemistry JEE NEET. Structure of the atom JEE PYQs April 2019 questions we are going to discuss now. Question number 1. Which one of the following about an electron occupying the 1s orbital in a hydrogen atom is incorrect? Incorrect statement we have to select. The hint is given. The Bohr radius is represented by A0. Okay, the first option. The electron can be found at a distance 2A0 from the nucleus. See, electron finding probability graph, if you observe, the graph is like this for 1s orbital. Okay, so here this is the maximum probability. So this total distance is A0. The total, see here question is asking that in the statement 2A0. So this is the 2A0. This is the 2A0. At 2A0 can we find the electron density or not? Of course we can find it. It is not zero. This graphical line, it never touched the axis. Okay, here 4 pi r square into dr. Okay, this one is a small r radius. Okay, here a0 plus a0, 2a0. At 2a0 also we can find it. Okay, so this statement is correct only. Of course it is not maximum, but it is there. The second option, the magnitude of the potential energy is double that of kinetic energy on average. See, first of all, we have to know that what is the relation between potential energy, kinetic energy and total energy. Okay, now you can see here some values are given here. Kinetic energy equal 13.59, potential energy equal to minus 27.18. That means we can write it here, potential energy equal to minus 2 into Ke. Okay, potential energy is always in the negative, kinetic energy is the positive. Okay, then total energy equal generally क्या होता है Pe plus Ke, potential energy plus kinetic energy. Now potential energy how much is there? Minus 2 Ke, then plus Ke, the resultant is minus Ke. Okay, total energy equal to minus Ke. Therefore total energy equal minus Ke. This is the one statement. And potential energy equal to minus 2 Ke, it is another. Now once again you read the statement, the magnitude of potential energy is double that of kinetic energy. Of course, correct. This statement is correct. Negative sign is there, but we are talking about only magnitude value. Then the probability density of finding electron is maximum at the nucleus. The probability density. Again, if you see the probability density graph, psi square versus r, the graph will be started from like this. Okay, so it is near to the axis only. So when again read the option, the probability density of finding the electron is maximum at the nucleus. At the nucleus is the maximum. So that is also true. The total energy of the electron is maximum when it is a distance A0 from the nucleus. See, this is the A0. A0 may option is telling that here electron total energy is maximum. See, if total energy maximum is there, it won't be stable. It won't be stable. Here we are finding the electron means stability is there. Finding maximum electron is here means stable is there. तो stable में कभी भी less energy होता है, less energy. Stable means less energy. Total energy of the electron is maximum when it is at a distance a naught. A naught में less energy is there, maximum electron stable in that area. Okay, so this statement is wrong. So your answer will be D. Your answer will be D. Next, question number 2. If P is the momentum of the fastest electron ejected from a metal surface after the irradiation of light having wavelength lambda. See, this is the one metal. Here one light is falling and an electron is ejected. This electron, ejected electron, momentum is P. Okay, this light or ray wavelength is lambda. Okay, now then for 1.5 momentum, 1.5 p momentum of the photoelectron, the wavelength of the light should be. So in the next case, same again, light is falling, electron ejected. In this case, this electron momentum is 1.5 p compared to this 1.5 times more. So the question is asking here lambda dash equal to what? So how many times larger or smaller? This calculation you have to do. Now we have to calculate this relation. We have to derive the relation between lambda and p. See here, this electron is there means it has the kinetic energy. So now kinetic energy and lambda relation, if you find it, then furtherly we can solve the question. Now we know that photoelectric effect में total energy or falling energy equal to threshold frequency plus kinetic energy. Okay, threshold frequency W naught plus Ke. Okay, दोनों में threshold frequency दोनों का same है. So it just you can assume this is the very smaller value, that equal to half mv square. Half mv square. Okay, now kinetic energy of mv square. And what about momentum? Momentum is mv. Okay, so here lambda equal we know that this is the light energy. This is the light energy. This is the electron energy. If light energy is maximum, then obviously electron ejected, electron energy also maximum. Here E equal h nu, that equal hc by lambda, that equal to half mv square. I can write it here. If m से multiply and divide करो, then m square v square by 2m I can write it. This is equal to p square by 2m. Now hc is the constant, so the relation is that implies 1 by lambda equal to p square. Okay, this is the equal to nahi, proportional I can write 1 by lambda. So now I am writing lambda 1 and p1. This is the relation between lambda and p. So if lambda 1 by lambda 2 equal to, here I am writing this is lambda 1, this is the lambda 2. Lambda 2. Lambda 1 by lambda 2 equal inverse. That's why नीचे p1 square ऊपर p2 square. Right? That means p1 square how much? p1 square is nothing but p square. p2 square is nothing but 1.5 p whole square. Just you substitute these values, that's only. Momentum. First point is we have to draw the relation, derive the relation between lambda and p. Then we are applying the formula. Now 1.5 into 1.5, 15, 15. Okay, 1.5 ko I can write it 1.5 equal to 3 by 2 nothing but. Okay, now I can write it here 3 by 2 means 9 by 4. The p square and p square get cancelled. 9 by 4. Okay, lambda 1 by lambda 2. Now answer, I need the lambda 2 equal to. Lambda 2 equal 4 by 9 lambda 1. This is the answer. 4 by 9 lambda 1. So your option will be A. Next. Among the following, the energy of 2s orbital is lowest. Energy of 2s orbital. See, energy का formula क्या है? Energy equal to n square by z square. N square by z square, of course minus is there. So when atomic number is increasing, so indirectly E is increasing when z will be increased. Because this is the negative value. Okay, totally actually this total negative value will be less. When atomic number is increasing, z value will be increased. Then n square by z square value will be decreased, but it is negative sign, that's why total value is increasing. Total value is increasing. So when atomic number is increasing, total value will be increased. Which is the atomic number highest here? Potassium. So answer is A. Okay, it's a direct question. Just from this formula you can get it. E equal minus n square by z square. When z is increasing, this total value will be decreased. The total negative value decreasing means E will be increased. Next, question number 2. The electrons are more likely to be found in the region of A and C. See, this is the electron finding probability maximum at A and C. This is the direct question. So A and C, this is the answer. Okay, this is the node. This is called node. This is the maximum probability. Maximum. This is also maximum. Next. The ratio of the shortest wavelength of two spectral series of hydrogen spectrum is found to be about 9. The spectral series are shortest wavelength of two spectral series of hydrogen spectrum. See, we know that hydrogen spectrum, पहले Lyman, then Balmer, Paschen, Brackett and Pfund, like this is there. Now the question is ratio of the shortest wavelength of two spectral series of hydrogen spectrum is found be about 9. 9 means 9 by 1 I can take it. 9 by 1 is the ratio. So shortest wavelength. Shortest wavelength means maximum energy. Important thing is shortest. Lambda smaller means energy will be maximum. Energy maximum कब होगा? That means electron from infinity. Electron coming from infinity level. So from infinity level से electron is coming here. Okay, it may be Lyman और कोई भी हो सकता है, we don't know exactly. So I am taking that nu bar equal to 1 by lambda, that equal to RH Rydberg constant 1 by n final square minus 1 by n initial square. This is the formula, right? Now nu bar is nothing but equal to, is directly proportional to nu only. Nu bar is directly proportional to nu. Now I am applying wavelength, no? We need wavelength. So 2 times I am taking. So this is the lambda 1 and one more time lambda 2 I am taking. Right? So lambda 1 by lambda 2 equal to RH will get cancelled. lambda 1 के लिए 1 by फाइनल मतलब वी डोंट नो, एन फाइनल तो कुछ होगा, माइनस एन इनिशियल कहाँ से आ रहा है? वो इन्फिनिटी से आ रहा है. इट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम इन्फिनिटी. नेक्स्ट नीचे अगेन 1 by n फाइनल वी डोंट नो स्क्वायर माइनस 1 by infinity. So this step is clear. Applied 2 times. Now 1 by infinity क्या होता है? So this is the zero term, this is also 0. Now that implies lambda 1 by lambda 2 equal to 1 by n 1 square upon 1 by n 2 square. But we know that the ratio is lambda 1 by lambda 2 equal to 9 by 1. Right? So A by B by C by D. That means n2 square by n1 square. So what is the n2 then? 3. Therefore n2 equal to 3, n1 equal to 1. Means the line is coming from infinity to, one is Lyman series, Lyman, then Balmer, then Paschen. One is coming from infinity to Paschen. Lyman and Paschen. A is your answer. Are you getting? If you don't know, just you take it as n. Just you have to apply this Rydberg constant formula, wave number formula, you will get the answer. Next, question number 4. The graph between psi square and r radial distance is shown below. This represents, see here 1s, or this is the one node. Okay. So generally directly I can write it is a 2s orbital. So 2s के लिए node will be 1. So one node is there. So answer is direct 2s. D is the answer. 1s के लिए ग्राफ कैसे रहता है? 1s के लिए ग्राफ is like this. Next, for any given series of spectral lines of atomic hydrogen, let delta nu bar equal nu bar maximum minus nu bar minimum be the difference in maximum and minimum frequencies in centimeter, the ratio nu bar Lyman upon nu bar Balmer. Okay, understood the question first of all? In the Lyman series, nu bar difference for maximum minus minimum upon Balmer series के लिए maximum minus minimum. See, this is the Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, dash dash is there. Now the question is asking only about Lyman and Balmer. So one is coming from the infinity. Here lambda is smaller. Lambda smaller means nu bar is maximum. Next line is coming like this. From the next level, lambda maximum, nu bar will be minimum. ये दोनों का वेरिएशन होगा. Okay, like that again. One more from infinity to Balmer series. Okay, here also nu bar maximum. Next line is from this next level lambda minimum. ये दोनों का डिफरेंस, ये दोनों का डिफरेंस. Equation number 1, equation number 2, then 1 by 2. So what is the answer? You have to do these things. So how can you do? Then same formula, Rydberg constant formula. Once you can see here, for Lyman series, okay, we had to do this nu bar equal lambda nu bar maximum minus nu bar minimum. First nu bar maximum. Nu bar maximum मतलब from infinity से. Nu bar maximum कब होता है? From infinity. You can see infinity से कहाँ से? From infinity it is coming to 1. N initial, it is a n final. Initial infinity से आ रहे. If you substitute those values, you will get this one. Next, nu bar minimum कब? Nu bar minimum is just from, you can see here, nu bar minimum is just from second level, just from next level. So, initial is 2, final is 1. Just you apply those values, you will get one more value. Next, you have to do subtraction, maximum minus minimum. This is the value, so finally you are getting this for Lyman series. Lyman series. Similarly, Balmer series also you have to do. Balmer series. Okay? When we are taking maximum, maximum means it is coming from the infinity to second level. Just put the values, you are getting this value. Minimum, minimum means you can see again, we are talking Balmer series में minimum, right? See, this is the Balmer series. Minimum means this is n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3. 3 से 2 में आ रहा है. Balmer series में nu bar minimum is 3 to 2. Balmer series में minimum 3 to 2. 3 is the initial, 2 is the final. Okay, initial and final. Then again you will get one value. ये दोनों value का difference. This is the answer. Now ये difference and this difference, equation number 1 and equation number 2, ये दोनों का ratio चाहिए. Lyman upon Balmer. If you do, then you are getting 9:4. Here it is a time taking process. It's not at all difficult, but it will take time consuming. So answer 9:4. So So your answer will be C. C is your answer. Next, sixth question. N equal to 4, L equal to 2, M value is given like this, all values. Now the correct order of their increasing energies. See, increasing energies depends on only N plus L values, first of all. If N plus L is same is there, then we can go for the next. N plus L, so how much it is? 6. Here is a 5. Here it is a 5. Here it is a 4. Whenever N plus L value is same, then N value is the preferred, right? So third is higher. Then what is the answer? First one is higher than third one, then second least is fourth. 1 3 2 4 1 3 2 4 1 3 2 4 4 is smaller value. Yes, C is your answer. C is your answer. Okay, very simple question. N plus L value, whenever N plus L value is same, then N value will be preferred. Okay, 2019 questions completed. Thank you.